Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Francisco, aka Kata, and today I'm just going to show you an app that's in your PC that you can use to draw electronic drawings, artistic drawings. When you are bored at home, or maybe you are just feeling artistic. So it's not really a good app. It's not really a good app that is all the features, but it's great for practicing. So I also started here when I started drawing. I use other apps now like TikTok, but this is the app the way I started drawing pictures. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I do this, and how you guys can learn how to draw artistic pictures. So if you go on the channel, it's called Paint 3D. So let me just take you to a picture that I have been drawing already. That's what I have been working on. So as you can see, I have mountains here. I have a face of a lady with flying hair, and she's blowing a rainbow, and I have some clouds over there. So you guys stay tuned and see how the picture comes out. I'm really sorry about the process. The sound is not really good, so bear with me. You guys can hit my IG, check me up on IMS2907 Kata, and there are more videos on my IG, and please hit the subscribe button.
Some more bottles, she keeps asking, won't let it go. Okay. Looks like I really have to let this girl know. I told her I'll make slime. Candy DIYs, post that shit on YouTube, children can't believe their eyes. Yelling loud as shit, got that family-friendly content, I don't get demonetized. She was understandably put off by that, till I showed her my million subscriber plaque. Now I'm feeling like David Dobrik, cause I got her in the Tesla and her friends are in the back. Next thing you know, now we drinking at the crib. It ain't too long till I got shorty in my bed. Slip into something more comfortable and now I'm back. And she's looking at my YouTube channel, wait, don't do that. She wanna know where I get this money, how I ball so hard. She wanna know what I do to afford these clothes and these dope ass cars. She's checking out my videos, she sees me yelling. I'm going crazy about the merch that I'm selling. Now I'm dabbing and eating spicy foods. I can't tell if she's impressed or disgusted, but she's checking out my slime. Life hack DIYs, post that shit on YouTube, children can't believe their eyes. Yelling loud as shit, got that family friendly content, I don't get demonetized. I don't get demonetized. There is nary a doubt I am the slime king, but I feel so alone. Will you be my slime queen? I can't tell you how long I've searched. I won't even make you buy my merch, unless you wanna buy my merch. You're totally free to do so. It is soft as hell, but it only comes in youth sizes, and there's no refunds. No refunds.
This is my end product. So as you can see, there is a lady that I talked about. There are the mountains. That's the face. And yeah. Keep tuning on my YouTube channel, and you guys can learn more. And please share this with your friends, family members. Yep. Tell them to hit the subscribe button to see more videos of me, and to follow me on IG. That's IMS2907 Kata, and check my IGTV. My videos are there, all the tutorials that you can get, and you guys can comment on how you find the video, how I can improve everything. Then you guys are free. So till then, watch out for my next video.